Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we will learn how to export a video, okay? So let's start the video. Make sure you just finished your project, and you are ready to export it. The first thing you'll need to do is go up to the file, then go down to export and select media. Now in export settings here in format you can see many options. You can apply any format as you want. For example, to export video in 4K format you can select QuickTime format. Now make sure the format is H.264. This way it'll export as an MP4 video file, the most common file type video. Now select location to save your exported file. Now create a folder and name it. Open the folder, and you can rename your file if you want. If you want to export only video, select Export Video option, and for only audio, select Export Audio option. Now select both options for export video with audio. In basic video setting you can change height and width of video. As a beginner, you don't really have to mess with anything else, and your video will turn out just fine. If file size concern to you, you can manage it from here. If you worried about quality, simply check maximum render quality, it will give even you better output. Now your video is ready to export, so just click export button. And once it finishes the export, just go to your file's location where you saved exported file. Here you can find your exported file. Thank you.